This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Canva app and loading the design that contains the image you want to change. Tap the existing photo so the frame highlights and the bottom toolbar appears. This ensures you're editing that specific element. Then choose Replace if you want Canva stock or Upload to add your own file. Once done, the app shows image options and your uploads. Make sure the correct layer is selected so the new photo snaps into the same frame and preserves crop settings. Next, pick the replacement image from Uploads, Photos, or Canva stock. Tapping it replaces the frame instantly. You'll want to drag the image inside the frame to adjust composition and pinch to zoom or rotate so the subject sits where you need it. Use the crop or position controls to lock the focal point and apply adjustments or filters to match colors and lighting. Once you're satisfied, tap outside the frame to commit the change and maintain the original frame's proportions and alignment. To finish, tap Done and save or export your updated design. This ensures the replacement is stored in your project. If the new photo looks blurry, make sure you substituted a higher resolution file and confirm the image isn't overly zoomed in, which reduces quality. If the photo didn't snap to the frame correctly, use Undo, select the frame again, and try Replace once more. For persistent issues, close and reopen the design to refresh assets before reattempting the replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.